The puffin, a seabird with distinct black and white plumage, exhibits a remarkable ability to fly underwater. While not true flight, it's an impressive adaptation for hunting. Puffins use their wings to fly through the water, propelling themselves with swift, controlled movements. Their wings act like flippers, allowing them to pursue small fish with agility. Puffins have specialized beaks designed to grasp and carry multiple fish at once, enhancing their efficiency underwater. This underwater prowess aids their survival as they navigate the ocean depths in search of prey, showcasing the remarkable versatility of these charming seabirds. In their aquatic environment, subscribe for more content like this.